my name is Colin. I'm the sales director of the furniture department. Today, I'm very happy to introduce our factory to you. And please follow me, and I will introduce our production plant to you step by step. Please follow me. And you see, this is the production line. And today we are producing the phone transaction hands-free. It is different from the normal TWS, but we can still see how we produce. So this is our new product, the phone transaction hands-free. It looks like this. This one, it has been finished. You can see that it has got a very good looking, and every part of the product is well finished. And we also have many checking. We have got different measures to check the quality and to make sure the finished product is good. This is our RF testing machine. RF testing machine, the full name is the radio frequency testing machine. So this machine, it will be used to make sure the chipset of the TWS can work well. And we also have another checking device over there. With this device, we can test the speaker, make sure the speaker can work well. And after that one and this one, we also have another checking room over there. If the worker goes into the room and he will wear the TWS, and there it will stimulate an environment where the device can work well. Okay, so please follow me. Our aging room is over there. You can see we have got some different holders. The first holder, we are going to recharge the battery box. So every battery box will be tested here. And only when they can be well charged, they can pass the test. If they cannot, they will be picked out because we have got a computer. You see, every spot means every piece of the charging box. If the color is green, it's okay. If the color is yellow, it means it's being charged. The red color means it cannot be charged. The green color means the charging has been finished. So we monitor the situation of every product here. And follow me, I will introduce another holder to you. Derek. As I said, this holder is going to use all the capacity of the battery box. In this holder, all the battery box, they are recharged. But here, all the power will be used. So we have the very complete procedure to test the quality, and every piece of the product will be well checked before they are sent to the customer. So you will be very welcome to come here and visit by yourself. Thanks for watching.